Taught across 13 modules by an ITIL Specialist, this course will demonstrate how to optimize your use of cloud services in ITSM. You will start by looking at the basics of cloud services before moving on to how to choose, onboard, enable, measure, and improve them. The course also features review modules, practice exams, and a wrap-up module to help students with retention. Once you begin training, you will have access to over 21 hours of course material. The course is also fully accredited by PeopleCert. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go, wherever you are. An instructor will guide you through the course and provide expert narration, and animated videos help to break down key topics. Learning tips are included to help you remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course, and you can request a free exam voucher when you are ready to sit the official exam. You'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment, where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.